Welcome to this tutorial by Market Nexus. I am Sarah. In this tutorial, I will guide you with the steps you need to follow to sign up for copy trading in multi-bank with Market Nexus, where smart risk management brings significant rewards. So let's start. Step 1. Visit the URL https://social.multibankfx.com nonsense. As you can see, the login page has appeared. Now step 2. Log in with your credentials. Select Multibank Live 4 or whichever server you use. Add your trading account's ID and password. As you can see, your dashboard has appeared before you. Step 3. Activate your copy trading with Market Nexus. Now click on New Subscription. A form will appear in front of you. Select your trading account. In the Provider section, Market Nexus. Click on Create. An attention pop-up will appear. Click on OK. Now go to Action and click on Activate. For confirmation, you will see a green box appear in the right upper corner, mentioning subscription has been updated. Now you are all set to start your journey with Market Nexus. Happy trading!